Welcome to Comanche County, the top of the Texas Hill Country. Usually people want one of three, if not all of three, things when they're looking for property. One's views, two's trees, and three is typically seclusion or flat usable building space. Comanche Oaks has all three. Hi, I'm Lewis Berger, and I want to welcome you to Comanche Oaks. The 5 to 10 acre home sites at Comanche Oaks offer a better way of living. These nicely wooded home sites with rolling pastures and gorgeous panoramic hill country views make Comanche Oaks a great weekend getaway or a primary residence. Imagine waking up, getting your cup of coffee, coming out to the back porch or front porch, and looking at these views behind me. Amenities like electric, high-speed internet, gravel roads, and a low cost of living will make you feel right at home. You'll love the community's great location. Everyday essentials are nearby in historic Comanche, and area lakes and vineyards are just a short drive away. You're pretty close to Proctor Lake, which has a 9-hole golf course on it if you like to kayak or water ski or fish. You can go a little bit further out, go to Lake Brownwood if you want. If I could choose one word to describe National Land Partners, it would be integrity. We've been in the land business for over 50 years, so you can enjoy peace of mind when purchasing with us. We never put time frames on our customers, so enjoy the freedom to build now or build later. It's amazing when you see these customers that come out and you just kind of start them making memories with their family and leave that to the kids to make memories with their kids. It's just unbelievable. We take our time with you when you come out and visit us. We're going to spend all day with you if that's what it takes to find your perfect piece of property. With excellent land financing available, it's never been easier or more affordable to own your own piece of the beautiful Texas countryside. This is going to go very, very quickly. Don't wait. Give us a call today at 877-888-7566 or visit us at ComancheOaksTX.com. Come see everything this gorgeous new country community has for you and your family. Help that dream come true. We look forward to seeing you soon at Comanche Oaks.